managing projects, scheduling tasks, and filling out work reports, it often becomes complicated if using paper. Everything becomes easier, more organized and digital when you choose Collavoro platform by EMAX. It's the software designed for green industry companies. No more paper reports getting lost. You will enter data during site work using Collavoro App, and the report is immediately sent to the technical office. You can plan activities, assign tasks, and monitor everything in real time. Timing, people, and costs are always under control. Save your time, reduce errors, and improve transparency with Collavoro. Greater team efficiency and more trust from your clients. Collavoro by EMAX, the smart way to manage green projects.